Are you dreaming of studying towards a tech, engineering, or business degree without worrying about university fees? The Vodacom External Bursary Programme is one of South Africa's top funding opportunities. It covers full tuition, accommodation, books, meals, a laptop, and a smartphone. In this step-by-step guide, I will show you who qualifies, what courses are covered, key deadlines, and how to apply online successfully. Beyond paying your university fees, Vodacom offers benefits that set you up for long-term career success. They provide full tuition, registration, and university residence or capped private housing allowances. You also get a laptop, a mobile phone, and textbook and meal allowances. Even better, you gain access to vacation work readiness training in your final year, and ongoing wellness support throughout your studies. To qualify as a matriculant, you must be a South African citizen with a bachelor pass. You need an overall average of at least 70%, plus 70% or higher in both mathematics and physical science. If you are already at university in your first to third year, you need a minimum 65% academic average. You must also study full-time at a recognized public South African university. Vodacom focuses heavily on future-focused qualifications aligned with the digital economy. Qualifying fields include computer engineering, electrical engineering light current, electronics engineering, computer science, and information systems. You can also apply if you study data analytics, data science, actuarial science, or select commercial and business degrees focused on technology. If your qualification builds digital skills, this bursary is designed specifically for you. Timing is critical when applying for corporate bursaries in South Africa. Applications typically open around May or June each year and close strictly on August 31st. Do not wait until the final weekend to submit your file. Server traffic is usually heavy right before the deadline, and submitting early gives you enough time to fix any missing documents or application errors. Before starting your online application, prepare clear PDF scans of all required documents. You will need a certified copy of your South African ID and a passport-style photo. Matriculants need grade 11 final results and grade 12 mid-year results. University students must provide their full tertiary academic record, proof of registration, and Matric certificate. If you are under 18, include your parent's ID. To start your application, open Google Chrome on a laptop or desktop computer rather than a mobile phone.
Navigate to externalbursary.vodacom.co.za and click on the Register button. Enter your active email address, phone number, and personal details to create your portal account. Once registered, log in to access the main application dashboard and begin filling out your profile. Work through each profile section carefully, entering your personal details, home address, and academic achievements. Take your time to double-check every mark you enter against your official report card. Next, navigate to the Upload section and attach your PDF documents. Make sure every scanned page is completely legible, upright, and properly named before moving on to the final submission page. To boost your chances of success, ensure your document scans look professional using a scanning app rather than taking dark phone photos. Apply well before the August 31st deadline to avoid system crashes. Always double-check that your contact details are correct, and monitor both your primary email inbox and spam folder regularly for updates or interview invitations from the Vodacom Bursary selection team. Getting your tertiary education funded by a global tech leader can completely transform your career trajectory. Gather your documents today, double-check your eligibility, and head over to the portal to submit your application. If you found this step-by-step guide helpful, give this video a like, share it with your classmates, and subscribe for more educational funding guides.